This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. While there isn't a direct app, many users are eager to connect to this popular platform. We will explore clever workarounds and unofficial methods that allow you to access Roblox on your console. Prepare to discover how to bring your favorite virtual worlds to your portable screen, exploring different technical approaches and necessary steps. Let's first understand why a direct Roblox application isn't on the Nintendo eShop. Roblox is developed for specific operating systems like Windows, iOS, Android, and Xbox. The Switch runs its own proprietary system, which means a dedicated version must be created. This absence leads us to explore indirect and more technical ways to enjoy Roblox on your beloved Nintendo Switch. One primary method revolves around cloud streaming. This involves running Roblox on a powerful computer elsewhere, then streaming its video output to your Switch. Users might leverage the Switch's limited web browser or install custom firmware to access services like GeForce Now, which can stream PC games. Remember, a very strong, consistent internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or faster, is essential for a playable experience without noticeable lag. The second method is more technical: installing Android onto your Nintendo Switch. This homebrew process allows your Switch to function as an Android tablet. Once Android is successfully installed, you can then download the Roblox mobile app from the Google Play Store, just as you would on a phone. However, this method requires significant technical expertise, and it inherently carries risks, including potential warranty invalidation, so proceed with extreme caution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.